A very good evening to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Nichad sir, Honorable Principal, Dr. Nitin Bhagave sir, Adhyay Faculty Coordinator, Dr. Prashant Deshmukh sir, Head of the Departments, our respected faculty, Adhyay 21 Committee, and all the enthusiastic participants. I, Vitali Potode, Coordinator of Adhyay from Mechanical Department, welcome you all for the valedictory function of Technical Symposium of Government College of Engineering Nagpur's Adhyay. Over the last 3 days, we had deep insight into various technical events, non-technical events, and workshops. So without taking much of your time, I request Faculty Coordinator of Adhyay, Dr. Prashant Deshmukh sir, to give us a brief summary of events that took place in this fourth iteration of Adhyay. Please take over, sir.
Very good evening, everyone. Honorable Dr. N.D. Gaugave sir, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today's guest, Honorable Sanjay Nichad sir, CEO, Global Power Electronics, Nagpur. Student coordinators of this event, Nirupam, Nirant, Mitali, Ashutosh, Pranay, all students last year coordinator as an advisors, all head of departments, deans, faculties, and my dear active participants. First, on the behalf of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, I, Dr. P.R. Deshmukh, faculty coordinator, welcomes all of you in the valedictory function Adhyay, a national level technical symposium of the Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, which was entering into the fourth edition this year, and it gets bigger every year. Now, first, I congratulate the other team for taking the efforts from the last 6 months or successive planning, and they have conducted these plan events in these 3 days in online mode. So it credit goes to you peoples. We are honored to have Sanjay Nichad sir, CEO Global Power Electronics Limited, Nagpur, and the principal sir for validated function with us. So thank you, sir, for joining with us. In these Adhyay events, where young brain gets a platform to showcase their technical skills and compete with the others to find the best. It is not just about the competition, but also an event where a lot of those new ideas are seen live and learn many things and to be inspired. This symposium have cultivated many more sparking young minds that will set the gears of bright change in motion on the large magnitude scale. This college festival shows a certain degree of fluctuations in the excitement levels. Through this technical symposium, the students are aware about the latest development in the field of engineering and technology by sharing the knowledge, presentation, and participating in various technical events. Everything begins with an idea. Idea provoke the imaginations. So Adhyay provided platforms to create a stage for you people to perform, to immune, innovate, to showcase their technical soundness levels. Now, in these 3 days technical Adhyay events, we have conducted technical and non-technical events along with workshops comprising of all the disciplines of engineering, and these events are scheduled from last 3 days, which include the following series of events. Now, here in 3 days, we do a total 5,162 registrations from all over India, such as including Tamil Nadu, Kerala, West Bengal, Telangana. You may say the pan of the India. The registration distribution wise, the Avishkar, which is related to a project competition event, which is basically present the creativity and imagination, where we do our 73 teams registrations. Then we do another event, we call it the virtual placement. So this event provides an opportunity to the students to prepare for their dream placement very in advance, where we do our 84 participation. Then we do our CADEXION events, where the students have a facility to know the 3D design challenges. It provides a platform to test yourself in the most productive event And that will increase the value as an engineer, where we do your 35 teams. Then code venture events, we do your 512 participants from all over India, which is used to test the competitive programming and logical analysis. Then we do your Respond events, we do your around 800 entries for it. The next event is the code venture, where we do your 84 entries from all over the India. It is Oxford style debate competition. These events develop the orator skills and build the competitions and to put forward your opinions firmly, defending your oppositions and effectively. It basically tests your command and prove yourself. Then we do the series of workshops. We do the drone workshops where we do around 300 participations, which provide the insights of the drone technology. Then CADO workshops where we do 689 participation, which is related to explore the 3D design with reference to civil engineering and mechanical engineering. Then we do the Learn Python workshop related to computer engineering, where the students explore from basic concepts of Python to the advanced level of Python programming, where we do 596 registration. Then we do the YouTube content creation and startup mantra, where we do around 200 registrations. How the startups is useful in online platform and how it make attractive and attentive. So that type of things are to be covered in YouTube content. Then we do the Stargate workshop events, where the students will explore to the concepts behind the universe. Then today we have conducted the stock market and investing, how the financial goal is to be achieved, where we do 150 registrations. And in last week, we have conducted one new event, we call it as Model United Nations. It encourages the students to address the global, local issue concerns, and use the platform to enhance their public speaking skills and build up their leaderships and the problem solving skill, where we do around 60 participation registrants from all over the India. As we know that every great thing begins with small idea, an idea that generates a sparking mind in the students. We are there hoping that whatever the deliberations we do have in 3 days, which is fruitful to every students, and whatever the knowledge you people have gained here will definitely generate some technical sparking minds among you people. So at the end, I am thankful to you people for participants in Adya National Technical Symposium at Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. So thank you very much. Over to Mitali. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for encapsulating the events of the last 3 days. Today's valedictory function is incomplete without the feedback of the participants. Therefore, I request participants to voluntarily come forward to give a short feedback on our events.
Hello, myself Anuj Kapse. I had participated in a virtual placement event. I think that the experience was really eye-opening in how real life placements take place. I think the panelists gave us asked some really good questions, and it gave a really good exposure to the recruiting world. It was extremely enjoyable, and I really hope to take part again next year.
Thank you, Anuj. We are glad to hear that from you. Is there any other participant?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Yeah, so I was a participant of the first edition of the MUN, which is AIPPM. And honestly, it's an honor to be addressing all the viewers from this prestigious position, because ADHYAY is hosted by Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, which is honestly one of the best decisions that I took in the last few months. And, I was unsure if I want to take part in ADHYAY because the level of competition here, the aggression, the competitiveness, the talent is very high. But as a PU student, I always look forward to competitions and decided to take part. And honestly, this is one of the best decisions and best platforms to know where your strengths and weaknesses lie. Because more than just participation, ADHYAY has been a learning experience for all of us. So even though the results may be in favor of 1 or 2 more people, I am very sure that unanimously all of us can say that irrespective of whether we have won or not, we have all learned something. And that is the most important, position of RDI that it has played in our lives. And moreover, how much ever we might criticize this feeling of online classes, this online platform has enabled students and participants from all over the nation to showcase their skills. I, sitting in Bangalore, am able to showcase my skill and take equal participation in something that is being held in Nagpur. And secondly, I would like to congratulate the organizing committee and the executive board for organizing such a seamless experience for all of us, because it is such an enriching experience for all of us to, understand the world outside just our college. So this experience has been one of the best experiences for us. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aryan, for your amazing response. Now, moving ahead, I would like to request Ashutosh Rokde, coordinator of Adhyay from Computer Science and Engineering branch, to give us a brief introduction of our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Nichad sir. Please take over, Ashutosh.
Good evening, respected dignitaries and my dear friends. Today we are fortunate to have among us a brilliant mind, Mr. Sanjay Nichad, who is the CEO of Global Power Electronics Nagpur. Sir pursued BE from Government College of Engineering Nagpur in the field of computer science and graduated in the year 1991. He has a vast amount of experience under his belt, including 25 years of repairing and functional testing of electronic cards in Philips, Rockwell, Unitrol, and many more companies. His company, Global Power Electronics, is manufacturing a wide variety of products for major companies like Housing Electronic Card and Fluent Processor Card for BHEL, Sound Sonic Sensor for ASLT systems, Position Feedback Transmitter for HP, and many more. Also, a multitude of other ongoing projects are under his watchful eyes and effective command. Such a successful and very versed personality in his own field has a lot of business partners in private as well as government sector. Some of the major clients of Global Power Electronics in the private sector are Adani Group, Aditya Group, Birla Group, Tata Group, and Reliance Group of power plants. On the other hand, Global Power Electronics also helps the government in projects through its government sector clients like Andhra Pradesh State All Power Plant, Chhattisgarh State All Power Plant, Maharashtra State All Power Plant, and many more. We are privileged that Sir has also helped our college on multiple occasions and is very closely involved in the decision making and development of Government College of Engineering Nagpur. He was the member of advisory committee from 2016 to 2017. He has also taken initiative for conducting industrial lectures and supported our industrial visits for our students. He was elected in the College Development Committee in the year 2017 and has further contributed to the all-over development of our college and our students. Now, I request our esteemed chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Nichad, to address the gathering. So please take over.
Yes, thank you very much. Good evening, all. First of all, I would like to welcome
Good evening, sir.
all. I would like to welcome all the participants and the students of Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, in this valedictory function. I congratulate Dr. Deshmukh, HOD Electronics, who conducted this
sir.
program.
Thank you, sir.
And at the same time, I would like to thank Dr. Nitin Gagave, Principal, Government College of Engineering, Nagpur, who is supporting his staff at his best to come forward and do such events. Dear friends, it's to become an industrialist or to become an entrepreneur or to do a government job or to do a private job. It's your choice. But at the same time, I would like to say that become an entrepreneur. Don't ask for the job. Give the job. See, there are two types of industries. One is the production industry and the second one is the service industry. In the production industry, you may find to develop industry, there are a lot of involvements. just like erection and commissioning. Then there comes after erection and commissioning, there comes the running of the plant, then production, then there comes the maintenance, then comes the product and its marketing, and also the important is the finance. What is erection commissioning? Sir, this I'm all saying for the student just to have them the knowledge. Erection and commissioning. Erection and commissioning, it starts from the land to the complete setup of the plant. Any industry, you can say. This involves any industry. It involves all the branches: electrical, electronics, mechanical, and civil. Then comes the running of the plant. After the plant is completely erected, then comes the running of the plant. Once there are various parts in an industry, and every part is, during the erection period and commissioning period, every part is being taken a trial, and after its trial, the final industry runs. Now, after this comes the regular maintenance of the plant. Sorry, after this comes the production. Once the production starts, what you have to see is its quality, its performance. Then comes a regular maintenance. An engineer, he should be an operator. He should also have the knowledge of the maintenance in the plant. Then comes, whenever there is a breakdown, you should be capable. You should be capable of maintaining each and every fault in the industry. Then comes the production. Here, when the production comes, you have to look after its quality, its performance. Once the product is ready, you should have a complete market. Market means you should research, you should learn where your product will be capable, where your product will be most compatible for any other industry. And one more important factor is the finance. It is not necessary that a lot of finance, you go for a big industry. You can start with a small industry, have a patience. With a small industry, you can bring your small industry to a big industry. Apart from this all, dear students, you should be very much sincere. You should have a lot of patience. You should also focus on your quality of the product, your performance of the product, your commitments to the client, and lastly will be your hard work. Apart from all this, I would like to ask every student to become an entrepreneur. Once again, I would like to say, don't ask for the job. Give others the opportunity for job in your industry. And one more thing I would like to say, hard work, sincerity, and commitment. These are the most important factors in the life. And one more thing I would like to say, apart from this, you should become a good human being. This is very, very important for your life. You should be a very good human being. And you should also believe in the teamwork. It's not like that I am the only person, I can do everything. No. Your team will bring you go ahead. I would like to thank Mr. Aryan Agrawal, I think he's from Bangalore, who appreciated our institute and was very much happy with this program. Lastly, I would like to say, think of positive. Everything will be positive in your life. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for nice words.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening and encouraging words. Now, I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Nitin Bhagave, sir, to say a few words. Please take over, sir.
Thank you, Mitali. Is my voice clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, good evening, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest for this valedictory function, Sri Sanjay Ji Nichat, CEO of Global Power Electronics, Professor Dr. P.R. Deshmukh, convener of Adhyay 2021, heads of the department, deans, all the faculty members present over here, student coordinators and dear participants. It's my pleasure to be here at this valedictory function once again. Friends, we are at the end of this technical saga, I would say saga. Definitely, the things which have been taken place since last 3-4 days, all the students are motivated out of it. And I'm sure everyone will get some insight through various events. Although I'm saying that we are at the end of this saga, it's a new beginning. For us, the Technical Festival Adhyay 2021 is going to end today. But remember, it's the beginning of new era. Why I'm saying this? Various competitions, webinars, workshops, almost all the students who have participated got their minds ignited. They got new ideas. And with this knowledge and skill, they are coming forward and they will, I am sure, they will start their journey hereafter. With the knowledge and skill which they have gained through various workshops, webinars, definitely, I'm sure all the students, all the participants will apply them in practice and they will try to find out the solutions to design the new systems, to design the new models. So this is what I expect the outcome of out of this Adhyay 2021. Friends, if someone asks me what is the specialty of Government College of Engineering Nagpur, 2-3 specialties of Government College of Engineering Nagpur, I would definitely say Adhyay Technical Festival is our specialty. And I am proud to share that this is the 4th edition of Adhyay that we have completed successfully. We have written this chapter, as I said in my inaugural address, that Adhyay is made by the chapter. So we have completed this chapter today and we have started to write the new chapter, that is Adhyay 2022 next year. I must congratulate the faculty coordinator, faculty convener, basically Dr. P.R. Deshmukh, who is wholeheartedly taking the efforts in so many days. All the student coordinators who are working day and night since so many months, my salutation to all those. I really thankful to all the faculty coordinators who work as the committee in charges and conveners for various competitions and events. So thank you everyone. Thank you all the participants. You are eagerly waiting for the prize distribution, prize declaration ceremony. I will not take your much more time. And let's meet next year for Adhyay 2022 with the same enthusiasm and with same spirit. Thank you very much for inviting me over here. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and support. Now, the moment we all have been waiting for, announcement of prize winners. I would like to request our chief guest, Mr. Sanjay Nichat sir, to announce the winners. So starting with Avishkar, in the software category, on the second position, we have
Announce, Nichat sir, announce the names.
The second position goes to Medicol. Mr. Sohan Rathod, Ameya Sahu, Rajiv Patel, Pranay Kude from GCOE Nagpur. Hearty congratulations to all this.
and on the first position, we have
Sir, first position.
The first position goes to Team MOM, Tejas Tapas, Yash Agrawal, Atul Thakre, Ayush Kedia, Yash Telkhede.
From Ramdev Baba College of Engineering, Nagpur.
Yeah, Ramdev Baba College of Engineering, Nagpur. Hearty congratulations to all the participants.
in the hardware category. On the second position, we have
Sir, second
announced
position.
winner.
Nichat sir, second prize.
Okay. For the category, hardware category, second
Hardware category, second prize.
Team Coco Kasya, Team Kameshwari, and Divya K. Vasant, Vidya Jyoti Institute of Technology, Telangana. Hearty congratulations.
And on the first position, we have
For the
The first
hardware
prize.
category, the first position goes to Ashish Shah, NIT Durgapur, Project Sahayak. Hearty congratulations, Mr. Shah.
congratulations. Next event is virtual placement. For the third position, we have
Sir, third position.
Anuj Kapse, Triple IT Nagpur for virtual placement. Hearty congratulations.
in the second position, we have
For virtual placement, second position goes to Changamesh Kulkarni, SDCE Mysore. Hearty congratulations, Mr. Kulkarni.
and for the first position, we have
First position for virtual placement goes to Shikant Shahji, NDGR College of Engineering, Andhra Pradesh.
next event, we have this code venture. For the sixth position, we have
अगं याचे नाव नाही आले, नाव तू अनाऊन्स कर, आमच्याकडे नाही पोहोचले.
Nirupam, please announce the names.
नाव नाही आले आमच्याकडे. हा.
Third position for Code Ventures goes to Harier R.S. Vellore Institute of Technology. Second position goes to Omkar Khedkar, GCOE Aurangabad. And the first position goes to Padmavati from Malam Engineering College, Tamil Nadu.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our Honorable Principal, Sir, Dr. Nitin Ghavgave, to announce the winners. For the event addiction from mechanical branch, we have on
Sir,
second
WhatsApp
position.
बघा WhatsApp. Okay, sir, WhatsApp.
Yes. Mechanical category. The second prize goes to Arun Karthik, PSG College of Technology.
Going to.
And
Thank
the
you,
first
sir.
position, we have
The first prize goes to Chirayu Gorantyal College of Engineering, Aurangabad. It's
From
Government
this
College
day-
of Engineering, Aurangabad, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
from the civil branch. On second position, we have
So from Civil Engineering branch, second prize goes to Jatin Kumar Chaudhary, EIT Vellore.
and on the first position, we have
The first prize goes to Raswan S. Bennari Aman Institute of Technology.
next event we have is Model United Nations. In the category
So-
of All India Political Party Bill, the award for Best Delegate goes to
So award for best delegate goes to Aryan Agrawal, Christ U College, Bangalore, Karnataka.
and the award for High Commendation goes to
It goes to Kushagra Manas, Radiant International School, Patna, Bihar.
the second category we had was United Nations Human Rights Council. In that, the award for Best Delegate goes to
It goes to Tamil Hansan, Depra India College, Bala Kerala.
and the award for High Commendation goes to
It goes to Satya Tripathi, Chandrasekhar Azad University of Agriculture and Technology, University of Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Hearty congratulations to all winners.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request our faculty coordinator of Adhyay, Dr. Prashant Deshmukh sir, to announce the remaining winners. This year, we had 2 games in response, Valorant and Call of Duty. So, starting with Valorant, on second position, we have
It goes to Team Loco Eco Sports, Regnath Morian, Running Cyclone, Akash Nogungan, Evan Nogungan, Edin Devana, Nisa Sangam, all are from Assam. Congratulations.
on first position, we have
The Team Emeralds, Aryan Arora, Raghavan Gera, Shivam Patel, Harish Singh, Amity University, Nodia. Congratulations to all of you.
Thank you, sir.
and the most valuable player is
It goes to Harish Singh.
for COD squad. The winner is
The winner team is Amit Bobde, Aryan Vasankar, Sumit Bobde, Sohan Mankar, Yashwantrao Chavan College of Engineering, Nagpur. Congratulations to all of you.
for COD solo. On second position, we have
The prize goes to Katil Python, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology, Nagpur.
on first position, we have
Ishan Thekre, Government College of Engineering, Nagpur. Congratulations, Ishan.
the last event we have is Vaad Vivad. On second position, we have
The second position goes to Aryan Agrawal, Christ PU College of Engineering, Bangalore, Karnataka.
and on first position we have
The first position goes to Hassan Zaidi, Chandigarh University, Chandigarh. Congratulations to all of you.
thank you, sir. I once again congratulate all the winners on behalf of Adhyay family. All the winners, please take a note that regarding your prizes, please contact your respective event heads. Now, as we move towards the last segment of our valedictory ceremony, I would like to request Nirant Wankhede, Coordinator of Adhyay from Electrical Department, to present vote of thanks. Over to you, Nirant.
Thank you so much, Mithali. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nirant Wankhede, Student Coordinator Adhyay from Electrical Department. It's a great honor and privilege to present the government on behalf of the whole Adhyay family. First of all, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Mr. Sanjay Nichad, for gracing this occasion with their valuable. A special thanks to Principal N.D. Gauga
निरूपम आवाज कमी कर.
for supporting us in every step of our journey. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to all the respected deans, faculties, and staff members who helped us in organizing events, judging process of competitions, and supporting us to make Adhyay 21 such a big success. A special mention to all our honorable guest speakers, Mr. Gulshan Sachdev, Ms. Faima Ahmed, Mr. Lokesh Raut, Mr. Ketan Kashyap, Mr. Malhar Kendurkar, Professor Ashish Mahabal, Mr. Mohammad Anas, Mr. Ankush Pandey, and Ishan Sharma. On behalf of everyone, I would like to thank our associate sponsor, CodeQuest, advising partner, Time Institute, resource partner, NISMT, graphics partner, Admire Engineering, media partners, Times of India, food partner, Temptation Cafe, and official sponsorship partner, Sponsible. A big thanks to all the participants for bringing up the real essence of Adhyay. At last, I would like to mention the 5 great pillars of Adhyay: the technical team, the sponsorship team, the organization team, the publicity team, and the accounting team. Also, the various event heads and the respective team members. Thank you so much. All this would have been impossible without you people. A special mention to our advisors for helping us out whenever we got stuck in complicated and difficult situations. I would also like to bring up my fellow branch coordinators. We all are very grateful to the whole Adhyay family for giving us the chance to lead this phenomenal tech fest. I would like to put an end to my words with our tagline, that is Adhyay, a legacy of infinite chapters. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to you, Mithali.
I conclude the program by again expressing my gratitude towards each and everyone present in the meeting. We regret for the technical issues, if any occurred. Thank you.
So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Nichad sir, for joining with us.
Thank you, Deshmukh sir.
Photograph, I think.
I congratulate and give
thank you, sir. Thank
you, sir.
To all the students.
Sir.
Do you need a photograph of this screen?
Yes.
I was
Mithali.
I request all the participants.
Yes.
Request all the participants to turn on their camera so that we can capture this beautiful moment.
There are actually 66 participants in the room, so there are 3 different rooms, so you need to smile continuously. So yes, on a count of 3, we'll start for first one. 1, 2, 3. For the second room now. 3, 2, and 1. And the last room. 3, 2, and 1. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone, sir.
Thank you, Nichad sir, joining this function.
चलो मिलते हैं निजत साहब, जल्दी मिलेंगे.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. बहुत देशमुख सर आपको बहुत बहुत
थैंक यू सर.